In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Designer. If you've ever wanted to reuse a layout, keep a consistent look across a project, or try out variations without starting from scratch, duplicating a page is the quickest way to get there. The feature exists in both the web version and the app, but it's not always obvious in the interface, so I'll walk you through the two reliable ways to do it. Start by opening your design in Microsoft Designer. Look for the page thumbnails in your workspace. Depending on your layout, they're usually docked on the left side and sometimes along the top. Find the page you want to copy and right-click its thumbnail. In the context menu that appears, choose Duplicate Page. Designer will instantly create a copy and place it right after the original, preserving your layout, text, images, and most formatting. This is perfect when you want to build a multi-page project with consistent structure. If your workspace supports sub-pages or a page management panel, the duplicate will show up there too, keeping your project neatly organized. If you don't see a duplicate option in that menu, or the right-click menu looks different in your version, there's a simple workaround that achieves the same result using copy and paste. Navigate to the page you want to duplicate so the canvas is active. Select everything on the page. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On a Mac, press Command+A. You should see selection handles around all elements. Now copy the selection. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C. On a Mac, Command+C. Create a new blank page in your design so you have a destination ready. With that new page active, paste your content. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. You'll see the full layout transfer over. From here, make any minor adjustments if needed to recenter items or account for differences in guides or margins. A few quick tips as you work. After duplicating, double-check that background shapes or full bleed images came along, especially if they sit behind other elements. If any spacing looks off after a paste, use Designer's alignment guides and nudge keys to tighten things up. Keeping your page sizes and orientation consistent across the project will help the duplicate match perfectly. That's it. Use the built-in duplicate page option when it's available for the fastest results, and fall back to select All, Copy, New Page, and Paste when it's not. Either way, you'll have a clean duplicate ready for iteration in seconds.